You can even flavor these with Kool-Aid. Make these meringue cookie flour gifts for your doctor's office and your pastors too. Everyone at our doctor's office is the best. Yes, my cousin, the tooth fairy, even has a great dentist with a sweet tooth. It all boils down to body and soul, doesn't it? I love this way to thank them. We're making a double batch because we double love them. 6 egg whites, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. We used 3 whites that we froze. They were left over from another recipe. Yes, you can freeze them. Pour them into an ice cube tray, and each cube is equal to 1 egg. Put them in a baggie, and you can even make Swiss meringue buttercream out of them. We already did right here. Whisk them until they're foamy all the way through to the bottom, through and through. See how they formed mountains on top of the bowl and made stiff peaks. Now you know where the saying comes from, stiff peaks. Look at that! They're being nice to others again! Well, we can't have that. Think of something, Dum-Dum. Huh? Slowly add in 2 cups of sugar. Allow time for the granules to dissolve. Big Val here uses tablespoons to help her slow it down. We added in a couple of teaspoons of vanilla extract, but you can use any flavor. Yes, we even tried Kool-Aid flavors and other ones we made. Whisk it for about 5 minutes more, and you really get stiff peaks. Oh, look at that. Big Val gets a kick out of this. Dum-Dum, think of something today. Not tomorrow, today. Now this is where you use your own super creative powers. We left a link in the description for the piping tips we use. Mix in your food color gels to your heart's content. We found that mixing up the colors makes them more interesting than if you just put it in straight out of the bottle. This one's going to be green leaves. Put a little blop to hold the lollipop sticks and pipe swirls, squiggles, little purple puffs. Look, that one looks like hydrangea. We found these edible sprinkles on sale. They taste better if they're on sale. Oh yeah, when you get the sticks, make sure to get oven-safe treat sticks. They sell all plastic ones that can't go in the oven, and you don't want to poison your friends. But aren't these turning out super cool? Then bake for 2 hours. You're not really baking them per se. You're more or less drying them out. The base is a wrapping paper gift bag. We use styrofoam in the bottom. It's left over from something we ordered online. Use a serrated knife to cut it down. We wanted the handles and nicely finished top edge. Couple of daubs of hot glue and the styrofoam will stay in the bottom. And the sides are perfect. Hey, these would be perfect for Aquaman. He would love them. And I've got the perfect gift bag. It matches my scales. Sandwich baggies work really well, and we bought some longer, bigger cellophane bags for our bigger flowers. A few Chessy whiskers twisted on. These are just the coolest things. We had so much fun, I can't tell you how much. Poke a hole with the chopstick, and aren't they turning out cool? We have some Easter grass that we made the inside a little bit nicer. Got that on sale too. If you enjoy our cooking show, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. What?